Okay, good morning. I'm going to show you what I went through yesterday in replacing my spark plugs on a 2015 Kia Sorento EX with the 3.3 liter V6. We're going to start first by removing the cover over the engine. To do that, you just unsnap it in 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Set it to the side. Okay, some things I want to point out to you right quick. I have to remove these connectors over here all the way back to this point here. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 connectors there. These connectors do not have to be removed. Then over here you got this connector here, this connector, and this connector here will have to be removed. To remove these like this, you just simply push down on the tab, releases the lock, slide it out. This one here was a bigger challenge. To do it, you have to pry something up under here and pop the locking tab up. Then it'll allow you to push down and release. Again, lock tab comes up, push in and release, remove. Had to remove this connector as well. As far as the hardware, we got a nut back here. You got these 2 screws here. These 2 screws here, bolts. A bolt here, a bolt under here, one here, another nut here. And the hard part, from a hardware standpoint, is right back here. Don't know if you can see anything there or not, but right back here, just about 4 to 5 inches down, there's a 14mm bolt that you have to remove there. What I elected to do is I went ahead and removed the battery, all of the plastic here, and I also removed my breather. Loosened it here, and also I had to loosen here on the clamps to be able to pull this apart. And then you have to remove the throttle body. 4 bolts on it. One here, one there, one on the bottom left, bottom right. To actually remove the coil packs, see if I can do this left-handed. Slide the little black locking tab out, push in on the gray, and pull the connector loose. You have 3 here, you have 3 behind the plenum. I had to remove some of these hoses up here. You have to remove this hose. Just remove this end here. That's basically it for the engine. Some of the hoses, needless to say, are a little difficult to get separated, but you can work them loose. Quickly, let me show you a couple other little things. I use these NGKs. It's the SILZKR7 B11s. This is what came in originally. I went to Kia dealer and got this part number K29215 3CFA1. And this is called a gasket surge tank gasket. And this is what the gasket kit looks like, set looks like. It's all made together in one piece. I ordered the wrong part first, needless to say, because I got the lower plenum versus the upper. Then you basically reverse your process, putting things back together, make sure everything's plugged in. I kept leaving this plug loose for last because I knew it was such a pain to get apart in the first place. Then when I got in the car and cranked it up, I had the check engine light, got my tester out, and it said that the emission control wasn't connected, so I came, plugged it back in, problem solved. I did leave out one other plug back here that you'll have to take, one other connector you'll have to take loose as well. Simply lift up on the bottom of the tab, pull it up. With that, I hope this helps someone else because I couldn't find a video online. And I've also changed the ones in my 2012, but there was enough information out there to be able to do it without any issues. Thank you for watching.